Welcome to today's video. Today's widget is animated container. Animated version of the container gradually changes its value over a period of time, now creating an animated container in the center. Now giving the required parameters, which are duration and curve. I need height and width of this mobile, that's why I'm using media query for that. Creating a boolean variable, select. I want to change the size when I click on the container, so for that I'm using gesture detector. And using ternary operator to change the height, width, color according to the state of our select variable. Giving container a child, that is a text widget. Using fitted box as we discussed in our previous video. That's all about the animated container. Thank you.